Hey guys, what's up? So today, we just found this abandoned,
Cow shed.
yeah, cow shed or whatever, and this is it.
It's big.
It's really big, yeah. We're gonna try to take some good Instagram photos, and
That's pretty sick tag. I do have to say.
oh yeah, it's actually lit.
And there's just like big shit.
Yeah.
So
So
I bet there's gonna be hobos because it's pretty like modern. Well,
Yeah.
you. And if I was a hobo, I'd come live here. Look, another sick one.
yeah. Max just pointed out there's like a sick cat right there. Oh damn!
Everything is just gonna like the same.
Looks really cool.
This thing is not abandoned before, except
Yeah. Oh look, there's a bunch of paint stuff. There's actually lit stuff.
look at this one.
Yo!
Is
Yo!
this a well?
This is well, be careful.
Yeah, be careful, mate.
Oh damn, yeah, if you fall inside you're
Oh, you thought? Oh,
what?
I thought that was a spider.
You thought that was by just saying. Yeah, you don't know. You do not want to fall
Yeah,
inside.
that's pretty sick.
And that's just it. Wait, let's throw something inside. I.
Yeah, as a sign of respect.
Yeah.
I don't have.
For the shoe, for the shoe, for the shoe.
This.
The shoe.
It makes noise.
Look at the shoe. Whoop. Okay.
Water.
Okay, so I think we heard like a bit of noises, and there's a bunch of glass things. So I'm taking this as protection. So there's somebody, and he tries to fight us. We could like.
Down, sir.
Are we ready to like throw this on him?
No, don't go. Turn this way, turn. What's the wind?
I'm scared the roof falls. The roof. It's going. It's going.
There's someone. It's cleaner than the.
Oh my God! There's stairs. Let's go up there.
Oh yeah, it's fucking sick.
Imagine there's somebody.
Or
Okay, let's first go see that, and then.
You see the wind and there's the highway. It's hard to tell. Just be careful, be careful.
I know.
Okay, Sandeep.
Okay, preparing to throw something because I don't feel really safe. Okay, I use the camera as like a sort of way to see if there's somebody.
Probably isn't. I mean, if there's no one since.
Oh my God! Imagine that falls.
Yeah, be careful.
Yeah, we walk to the side.
Look, it has a hole.
What is over here? There's more, Max.
Yeah, let's go on the roof and then go there.
Yeah, it's going over from there. Sorry
wait, I
about
think
it.
you come on, man. Oh, we just went swimming so much. Oh shit, this is not safe. Just on this one.
Here, take the camera. Show.
Can you hear the noises? Can you hear them? What the fuck is this? You can hear the noises, right?
Yeah, I can. This is creepy, bro. I'm touching my balls at the same time.
It's either the roof, and it's a bit risky because if it falls.
No, it's good. It's not gonna fall. Don't put your leg on the bad one.
That's it.
Oh my God, this is scary. Go. Be careful. Don't put your foot there. Yeah, there. Shit. Fuck, we're gonna have to climb. Here, take a careful. Follow me.
Can you hear the noises?
Oh, shit. Thanks.
We're not high. It's good if you need to jump.
Yeah, we need to jump. It's good. That's definitely the roof.
My mom's coming later.
2 gigabytes. Oh shit, it's Illuminati.
Oh, look. C2O. When you were bad in chemistry as a kid. No, just. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Now we're going down.
Dude, this is actually Flash McQueen's time.
I'm gonna show a picture of Flash McQueen right now.
If you get Mr. Fabulous bottles, choose Mr. Fabulous. We are then going to issue that everything in our
Yep.
YouTube stuff. So right now, how many do you have?
42.
So it's not that we don't like you guys, but if we do end up getting more, I mean, we're going to put more effort in those videos.
Yeah.
So, more subscribers, better videos.
Exactly.
Be careful of this.
You don't want to walk there.
Oh, there's a lizard. What's up, lizard?
Now you have to jump in. There you go.
I don't even see how this is a good idea. There's like this random board.
What's that? This is giant. You need to throw these.
You know what I was just about to say?
What?
Just as you said, holy shit, I was about to say, it's been a long time since you haven't sweared. You just ruined it. Be careful, both sides. This is deep.
Oh, hell yeah, it's deep. That's what she said.
Holy fuck.
Oh, damn.
Ready?
Dude, look at Ay! Oh, my arm.
Imagine if burn fell in.
I know. So, there's stairs over here, and look over here. Let's see, there's some people
It's
inside.
just a big room.
A big room.
Mais let's check again. Y'a quelqu'un?
Y'a quelqu'un?
Cherche pas la merde, si vous voulez pas qu'on vienne, juste dites-nous.
Yep.
Okay, great.
There's nothing really here, so there's nothing to show you. Oh, look up here. There's a mattress. Oh, no. I would like to go up here, but it doesn't look strong. Some of them broke, so I don't feel like going up there right now. Okay, there's nothing. So
It looks like you're in a jungle with the plants taking up. It looks pretty good. Well, if only this was like in Malaysia and it Baloo. You're Baloo.
yeah.
Ow. Look at this tire. Toussaint, I'm gonna buy you a bed.
What's our bird cage?
Oh, this
This is
is
a rabbit cage.
no, it's a
Rabbit
rabbit cage.
Yep.
Yo, this looks pretty sick. Let's take a picture of the tree over there.
Yep.
This thing over there
What?
looks like a kitchen wall.
Yep, indeed.
Wow, they have rabbits in a kitchen.
So, that was it for today's video. Go follow him.
Max with WS.
Yeah.
No, Max is W actually.
Yeah,
Yeah, just SW.
yeah. I'll put his link in the description anyways.
No videos yet. Hopefully coming up soon. Kinda.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And,
maybe.
we're over here. Beautiful place. That was the house. Shit, you can't see it. Damn it. Yeah, whatever. Over there is the house. And yeah, so anyways, thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. See ya.
See ya.
Whoop.
Walking home and talking low, seeing shows and even close with you. Nervous times and getting and we can hurt me. Now we're sleeping in the air, holding so